number 6 number.
Chances best number. Indo.
I don't know if it's good that she's hanging around with Sadie.
It's fine. I called ahead. Sadie's mother is single. There are no men or weapons in the home.
You called Sadie's mother to ask if she was single?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Oh, jeez, what crazy. Holy shit. Oh my God, look at all this cheese.
No. Leave it. Not yet. Not yet.
What is all this? What is that? What does that smell?
I'm making...
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys doing well. Welcome to mini vlog number 5, part 5, and hope you guys are loving it. Whatever you saw before this, I've been doing some changes with the mini vlog because I thought that rather than posting every single day and or every multiple times in a day, I should save the footages from everyday activities and then turn it into one vlog, like say multiple days of activities and put it in one vlog. So I'm gonna try this one, and if it works out, then we'll be able to make a mini vlog every now and then or every few days, rather than making it every day multiple times. So yeah, it's 22nd August today, and now it's almost 5:45 p.m. So yeah, doing the intro later, like a new way of introduction and starting the video. So yeah, keep on watching and let's see what I can show you guys today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and probably we'll collect footages from 5, 6, 7 days and put it in one video, one mini vlog. So that's the new way of making the mini vlog now. So hope you guys will love it. So let's see. Hey guys, forgot to mention one thing, that I started the vlog on the 20th of August, 20th of August. So yeah, just wanted to mention that, and I'm in my kitchen now. Right. Hey guys, editing my next UFO UAP documentary in CapCut app. Hey guys, today 23rd August, just woke up. It's 5:30 now p.m. and we are starting the day and went bed too late, so just woke up and starting the mini vlog. So let's see what I can show you guys today.
Extreme. Well, 2027 is set to be a lot worse, and that's because of a powerful...
Hey guys, it's 2:30 in the morning, and 24th August, and now having my dinner. So yeah, so now gonna enjoy the food and see you guys later. Hey guys, fruits time. I'm gonna make a fruit salad with this jambura or grapefruit and a papaya. watching the End of Oak Street 2026 movie, and it's 25th August, 2 a.m. now. So yeah, and also having my dinner. Hey guys, welcome back to the last day of mini vlog, and today is 7th day. I started this mini vlog on the 20th of August, and today is 26th, so today is the last day, and it's 26th of August 2026 and almost 10 a.m. and now didn't went to bed last night and still couldn't sleep, so that's why watching a Malaysian horror movie, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a good one. And let's see, after this movie I'll go to bed, and then we'll woke up and we'll record some footages or whatever I do, and after that we'll end the vlog and upload it. So yeah, now gonna enjoy the movie and see you guys later when I wake up.
মঙ্গলবার 1:30টার দিকে একটি মাইক্রোবাসে এক নারী সন্ত্রাসী নাকুল গ্রামের পশ্চিম পাড়ায় এক নারীকে অপহরণ করতে গিয়েছিল তারা। আতঙ্কিতদের বিরুদ্ধে মামলা দিয়ে শ্রীপুর থানায় সুপর্দ করা হয়েছে।
ভূমি উপসহকারী কর্মকর্তা বিজন কুমার জানান, এসিল্যান্ডের অনুমতি নিয়ে তাকে বসানো হয়েছে। এসিল্যান্ডের বক্তব্য,
Hey guys, earlier today Nepal got hit by a massive flash flood, and watching the videos now, it went super viral. Today 26th August, early in the morning probably. I'm watching it like since the evening, so pray for Nepal, and feeling so sad for Nepal. Got super destroyed, and like hundreds of people are missing and all. So yeah, stay safe guys wherever you are. Hey guys, half an hour, and after that 7 days of collecting footages will end, and then part part 5 mini vlog will be ready. So hope you guys are loving it so far. So good. And yeah, gonna end it after 12 a.m. and now it's 11:30 and 26th August 2026. So now doing my treadmill, and yeah, after all this, and in 27th August we'll end the mini vlog. So see you guys in a bit. So this was it, guys, in this mini vlog part 5, all 7 days of activities. Whatever I did, I tried to show in this video. And since 20th August 2026 till 26th August 2026, and now is quarter past 1 and 27th August, now ending the mini vlog, and probably gonna start a new one, part 6. Hopefully you guys loved it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next one. Adios for now. And guys, one more thing, and from now on mini vlog is gonna be like multiple days of activity. If not, I'm doing anything special in a day, so it's gonna be only multiple days of activities in one mini vlog. So just wanted to inform you guys. So yeah, so see you guys in the next one, part 6.